Sleep and stress are closely related. Stress can cause difficulty falling asleep or staying asleep, and poor sleep can exacerbate stress. When we are stressed, our bodies produce cortisol, a hormone that activates the body's fight or flight response. This response can make it difficult to fall asleep or stay asleep, leading to insomnia. Similarly, poor sleep can cause the body to produce more cortisol, which can lead to increased feelings of stress and anxiety. This creates a vicious cycle, where stress leads to poor sleep, which in turn leads to more stress. Prolonged stress and lack of sleep can also lead to other health problems such as weakened immune system, cardiovascular disease, and even depression. Adequate sleep is crucial for overall well-being and can help to reduce stress. By establishing a consistent sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and implementing stress-reducing techniques such as exercise, deep breathing, and meditation, we can improve our sleep and reduce stress levels. Additionally, it's important to address any underlying conditions that may be contributing to stress and poor sleep such as anxiety, depression, or insomnia by consulting with a healthcare professional. What is the impact of sleep on our daily life activities? Sleep plays a crucial role in our daily life activities. Adequate sleep is essential for maintaining physical and mental health, and can improve overall well-being. Here are some of the ways that sleep affects daily life activities. 1. Cognitive function. Sleep is essential for cognitive function, including memory, attention, and problem solving. Adequate sleep allows the brain to process and consolidate information, leading to improved learning and memory. 2. Physical health. Sleep is important for physical health, as it allows the body to repair and rejuvenate itself. Lack of sleep has been linked to a number of health problems, including weakened immune system, cardiovascular disease, and obesity. 3. Mood and emotions. Sleep plays a crucial role in regulating mood and emotions. Adequate sleep can improve overall mood and reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. 4. Performance. Sleep is essential for optimal performance, whether it's in the workplace, school, or sports. Adequate sleep can improve productivity, reaction time, and decision-making. 5. Safety. Sleep plays a crucial role in safety, and fatigue can increase the risk of accidents and injuries. Lack of sleep can lead to poor judgment, decreased reaction time, and poor concentration, which can be dangerous in certain situations. In short, sleep is essential for maintaining physical and mental health and optimizing daily life activities. By prioritizing sleep and implementing good sleep hygiene, we can improve our overall well-being and quality of life. Let's try some tips for improving sleep to reduce stress, an incredibly easy method that works for all. 1. Establish a consistent sleep schedule. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps to regulate your body's internal clock and makes it easier to fall asleep at night. 2. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Develop a bedtime routine that helps you relax and unwind before going to sleep. This could include activities such as reading, taking a warm bath, or listening to calming music. 3. Make your sleep environment comfortable. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Use comfortable bedding and pillows and make sure your mattress is supportive. 4. Limit screen time before bedtime. The blue light emitted from electronic devices can disrupt your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Try to avoid using electronic devices for at least an hour before bed. 5. Avoid caffeine, nicotine, and alcohol close to bedtime. These substances can make it difficult to fall asleep and can disrupt sleep quality. 6. Relax your mind. Stress and anxiety can make it difficult to fall asleep. Try relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or yoga to help calm your mind before bed. 7. Get regular exercise. Regular physical activity can help improve sleep quality and reduce stress levels. Aim to exercise for at least 30 minutes a day, but avoid vigorous exercise close to bedtime. 8. Consider cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia, CBTI. If you have difficulty sleeping despite trying these tips, it might be helpful to consider cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia. This therapy aims to change the thought patterns and behaviors that contribute to insomnia. Remember, everyone's sleep needs are different, and it might take time to find what works best for you. Consult with a healthcare professional if you have persistent difficulties with sleep. Don't miss out on valuable tips and insights for improving your mental health. Hit the subscribe button now and join our community of like-minded individuals on a journey towards a healthier mind and happier life.